Hello everyone, my name is Vinicius and I'm building PerfLab and PerfAgent. So whilst I'm getting ready to open source PerfLab and PerfAgent, I've been thinking about how to best collect traces. So for the longest of times, I've been experimenting with the self-profiling API, which is a not so well-known API out there for the browser to capture traces programmatically. But since, MCP is all the hype and for a good reason, I decided to experiment with building an MCP server straight into DevTools and capture traces and insights from the same workflows that DevTools has built to utilize the AI assistance within DevTools. But now, of course, to connect DevTools straight into Cursor or any MCP client that we have available. So I have here available a build of DevTools with my MCP server running. So I'm gonna, let me just restart it again. So I open here DevTools, I have this little button here. So I have MCP server running, and now I can ask it to record a trace. So let's see. Record a trace in DevTools server. Let's see. So it will call the record trace, and the default duration is around 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So it's recording trace now. I'm going to try to type something. Hello, I am trying to type. So this is not really going very well, right? So this is definitely not going very well. So let's stop here. There's no need to capture more traces. And we can see here that we have lots of different long tasks and lots of very bad interactions. So let's take a look at this. Now, get some insights and fix any performance issues that the insights return. So let's see. So now it's going to call another, another tool, and it's getting insights from within the DevTools straight up from the call trace. And let's see what it finds based on that. So it says that the bottleneck is within the onChange event. Oh, silly me. Look at that. So I have added here, forcing some very, very high memory pressure and, of course, holding the main event loop, hostage with this for loop, just as my input handler is trying to, respond to interactions. So my NP is being held. So just with this simple integration of the MCP server within DevTools, I can have, as my good friend Tasia said, self-healing. So as I run my application within Cursor, I can ask DevTools for insights. DevTools returns the insights and fix the problems. And that's pretty powerful. Yeah. So, see you all if you're coming to IO Connect. See you on IO Connect. Otherwise, see you online.